Now those are some. What's up, guys? Welcome to another fabulous and enticing episode of Green Light Gadgets, where we give you the green light on what's good and the red light on what's bad. So, today, this isn't a mystery box. I know what's in here. Today we have a QI charger, and I know you guys are thinking, oh, what's so special about a wireless charger? I have one. My friend has one. It just bloop. Well, yeah, I mean, wireless charging. It's been around for years now. It's kind of just a thing. But this guy is a game changer. It has 3 wireless charging pads, so you can charge 3 wireless charging devices at once. Got your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and something else. 5 altogether. It has 2 USB ports to charge at 2.4 amps per hour, I think. Am I correct? I don't know. Tell me below in the comments. Yeah, I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and get this puppy open and see what we're looking at. Alright. Feels like they did not treat my package very good on the way over here. Don't trust wish, you guys. You can just find unique things on. Oh wow. Yep, I was right. Well, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. QI charging stand. Oh, 2.1 amp. Okay, I was mistaken. But yeah, you got your little symbol so you know where to place it. Appearance wise, this is actually really sleek. I like it. I expected it to be a little more blocky, you know. There is the 2 USB charging ports. There you go. Alright, what else is in the package? No, that was all in a bag. Extra packaging. There's always extra packaging. What is this? That's why it fell out. It's just that. It comes right out. Okay. Oh, there's a white and gold one. I got the black one though. Okay. So let's get this puppy plugged in and powered on and see if it works up to its expectation. Alright folks, we got it plugged in now, and initially I'm very happy because as you can see, we have 3 green lights on it, the best kind of light. So let's just get it plugged in and that works. I mean, what would you expect with a product? So they both work, that's good. I guess I can maybe give an update on how long it takes to charge. See if it's all false or true or not. And we have charge. That one works. They all work, ladies and gentlemen. So this is not a product of your imagination. It does exist. I know there's probably cooler things that you can pay like $100 for, but this is probably what, around $20. You can probably find it for around $20. I'm gonna be using it every day now. Yeah, that's it. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and leave in the comments down below what I should review next, because for the most part I'm just finding stuff that nobody's heard of, but let me know what you guys want to see. Thanks for tuning in to Greenlight Gadgets.